out. Let's see what we got.
Oh, so amazing. So cool.
Wow. All the solids have started separating from the liquid.
Yes.
That is nice. Oh, that's kind of similar to milk, how you make cheese.
Yes.
It's very similar. Juicy. Don't cry, don't cry. You have to sing. We're going to sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patty.
Tofu.
Tofu, okay.
Tofu.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
This
Where's
place
this?
is so cool. I love this place. I don't know if you know this or not, but I have a farm, right?
Yes.
And I love to work with wood. So this is one of my favorite places to come.
I love woods too.
You love,
Yeah, I like the flavor of woods.
you eat wood?
No, the
The
smell of food. We eat a lot of things, right?
We ate a lot of things, but we're not eating any wood today.
Yes,
I brought
the
you here
smell.
because this place is really special. You can see all the different things that they make here. Like for example, like this one's really cool. This one has a little story
Oh.
behind it. All right, this one has 8 different types of wood.
Eight different
You can
types.
see it's in the shape of an octagon, right?
Oh,
What do you think this is?
for the coin.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a little piggy bank.
Oh.
And they
piggy
made
bank.
this for some students who didn't have enough money to go to their graduation trip.
Yeah.
And so they put this in the classroom, and when the kids had a little extra money, they put it in there.
Oh.
And then at the end of the year, they took the money and they donated it to the kids who couldn't afford to go on the student
Cool.
trip. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This studio was formerly a traditional wood factory. The main production item is the God's Table. Due to the transfer of traditional industries, the demand for the God's Table has gradually decreased. So, the owner did what he needed to do, and he transformed his business model and started to make creative wood crafts. As soon as you enter into the building, you start to smell all the wood. It smells so wonderful in here.
Later we'll do ourselves by myself.
That's why I brought you here. We get to experience some handcrafting carpentry. Are you excited?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna take you inside.
So now we are carpenters.
No, I'm a carpenter. If you want to be a carpenter, you have to sing a carpenter song.
I'm the top of the world looking down creation and the only inspiration I can find. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
那我们今天要完成一个豆腐，就是我们今天要做一个豆腐模的模具，你才有办法去做一个豆腐。
Yes.
所以说这个豆腐，然后我们这个是我们的一个样板，
Yeah.
但是我们今天要完成这个东西。
Yeah, I remember this a long time ago because I watched a lot of TV shows about carpentry. So a long time ago, they used this method to get things together because they didn't have any metal. It was very expensive to make metal. They would have to make each one of those metal nails and screws individually. It would take so much time. But they have little methods like drilling holes and putting them in through the holes. Or they use this method to stick them together like this, and the buildings would never come apart.
Yes.
In America, we still have lots of buildings that are made like this.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The master taught us step by step from the beginning of measuring the distance and sawing the wood. It seems like a small piece of work, but it actually takes a lot of time to pay attention to the details. Today, the master taught us how to make a tofu press. So, of course, we couldn't leave without actually making tofu. Making tofu starts with soy milk, and then you slowly boil it and heat it until it forms. In the end, a little chemical experience was required to make tofu. To be honest, this is the first time I see it, and all I can do is dream about how it's going to taste. Can we reveal the results of our experiment?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, time out. Let's see what we got. Do you think we did it?
你觉得我们 OK 吗 I open it.
Okay.
No problem.
No problem. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's see what we got.
So amazing. So cool.
Wow. You can
可是
see
它
all.
变成，等一下，我可以把它稍微摇起来一点点吗？
可以。
哇
它变成这样子哎。
对。
Oh, all the solids have started separating from the liquid. That is nice.
是很像咸豆浆。How
Oh,
say
salty soy milk.
salty soy milk，很像咸豆浆的感觉。
很像
哦
哈。是。那其实醋也可以用来做。
Oh, you can use vinegar to also do that. Oh, that's kind of similar to milk, how you make cheese.
Yes.
It's very similar.
哦，很像是在做 cheese 的感觉。好，然后我们现在怎么办？
现在哈，
好酷哦
我们要把它放到我们的模具里面哈。
Okay.
Pour all the soy milk pudding into the gauze bag, which connects a fixed filter basin below. Filter the soy milk pudding until it no longer drips. Then cover the soy milk pudding with the gauze bag. Press a heavy object on top and apply a little pressure with your hands so that the remaining water can be squeezed out. And the water is pressed out by repeated action. The biggest advantage of doing it yourself is that you can control the ingredients and eat healthy.
Hey. At first I thought it was going to be too salty, but it's just a little hint of salt, but it's not at all. Oh, that's good. And it's still warm?
Oh, it's fresh, totally fresh.
Totally fresh.
Totally fresh.
Ooh. It's like almost like cutting a cake, isn't it? Mm.
Yes. Happy birthday
Birthday
to you.
Ah, yeah. And it's just that simple. Just easy way to make tofu at home.
我的可以了吗？It's my turn.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
先这样。
Yeah, first take the mold
但是
off.
你一块一块拿也没关系。
All right.
哦。哇。
Yours is even more beautiful than mine. Oh, yours is gonna be real juicy. Don't cry, don't cry. You have to sing. We're gonna sing happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patty. Tofu.
Tofu, okay.
Tofu.
Happy birthday to you.
Yeah! Thank you, teacher Nina, so much for teaching us how to make this fresh tofu. We're so
Yes.
excited to try it. What do you think?
Without any chemicals.
No, yeah,
No
this is completely
chemicals.
natural. No chemicals, anything.
Yes.
This is very simple. What do you think? You want to add a little soy sauce and give it a try?
Okay.
You want soy sauce or chili, or I'm gonna put a little soy sauce and chili on mine. You can do yours how you want.
It's not that I like to praise myself. The DIY tofu is really the most delicious tofu I've ever had. It has a strong bean flavor, and every bite is super satisfying. Even Patty said she wants to make it at home every day, which is better than buying the final product. This cute handcraft workshop allows everyone to come and experience the cultural tradition of Daxi Taoyuan. But Patty, don't rush to do it at home. I will take you to Daxi Old Street. The beautiful Daxi Old Street is completely preserved traditional buildings. Walk on the street and feel the atmosphere. You will find something new. Here is a big hint. They also have special tofu here.